Hello everyone, Xavier Luxem here, and today I bring you a mechanic that's soon probably going to be coming into Space Engineers when they release the planets option, because that's what they've been talking about, adding planets up to 50 kilometers in size. And one thing I've been speculating about is gravity and orbits. Now, obviously the planets are going to have gravity, and what I was thinking is, okay, well, how are orbits going to work? Because, like, if we had artificial mass onto our ships, we could probably be grabbing an orbit and going into a 50-kilometer orbit. So here's something I've been testing on. I just have like a experimental cube here representing a planet, and if I go up to the speed of 32 meters a second, as you can see, I have landed. But basically what it is if I go fast enough and I turn on gravity, I will like never land on the ground. Let's try this again one more time. Does this work? Oh, barely. Okay, I had it working before. Let's just go inside here. And this will be easier to show because it'll be a lot quicker. Going to go there. There we go. As you can see, I'm never going to land here, and this is pretty much what orbit is. So I'm wondering how Space Engineers, the modding people, the people who create the game, Keen Software House, is how they are going to mess with this and fiddle with this, which this will be quite cool to see. Yeah, let me just get a small ship and see if I can get this working. Okay, so as we can see here, I am getting some mass blocks onto this small little ship I got from the workshop, and I started to go forward, but in a minute I realized the mass blocks are not, they do not pull down enough to where I can get in orbit. Like, my thrust is so fast I can easily escape it. So what I do is, later on I add more blocks to it, and then it starts working again. As you can see here, it will start going along. So when planets are released for Space Engineers, it'll be very cool to like add an orbital statistic mechanic in the game, so you could see your Apple app, your Apple app and your Perry app, as long as a horizontal, vertical, and thrust to weight ratio. So like you can see all those speeds on like a monitor if you're in like those small ships that are like big. You know, like in LSG's Small Ships Gone Large kind of thing. That's pretty cool. So basically what I'm asking for is orbital mechanics like Kerbal Space Program, where you can see all your statistics. Pretty much that's it. I'm Xavier Luxem. Have a good one.